we're going to make ricotta dumplings. So the cherry tomatoes I've halved. The first thing we want to do when we want something to sweat or break down, macerate, okay, is to add salt. The tomatoes are ready for the garlic. They've released their liquid. Awesome. We add our basil. We add a pinch of red pepper, if you're using it. And we add our puree or passata, okay? Easy, easy. Little rinse. Try and get the extra out of the jar. Let it come back up to a boil, and then reduce to simmer. Meanwhile, in a bowl, we have 1 full cup of toasted breadcrumb. We're gonna add to that the equivalent of about 1/8 of a teaspoon, I don't measure it, a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg, and our ricotta dumplings. We're gonna add 1 full pound of really well-drained is the key, well-drained ricotta cheese, 2 eggs. Just beat them up a little bit with a fork or a baby whisk. And 1/2 cup each of both pecorino and parmigiano. We're gonna add 1 handful of parsley, finely chopped, and a little bit of granulated garlic or fresh grated, up to you. And another little pinch of red pepper, if you so choose. Especially if you've done a good job at draining your ricotta, this is gonna take a little bit more time than combining beef, quite frankly. You want about a 2-inch ball for each of these dumplings, okay? Like this. It should fill the center of the palm of your hand. I'm just gonna make these, and then we're going to lower this heat to simmer and drop the ricotta balls, essentially, directly into the sauce. Take a tool that you love. I have this little wooden spatula, and very gently just make sure they're nested in there, because this is our cooking method. We just need to turn them so gently and carefully, but you need to also get that pan covered. Even if you have to use foil, doesn't matter. We want to serve this separately from the pasta. We cannot toss these together with pasta. It's too delicate. Drain the pasta. Put it immediately back in the hot pot. Little bit of starchy water. Save some in case it gets dry a little bit later. It's undercooked by 1 to 2 minutes, always, to account for carryover cooking while the pasta continues to cook in the hot pot. The stove is off, but the pot is still hot. Then we add a little butter and start stirring. Or you can add some good olive oil. And as we're stirring, we add a little grated cheese. Pecorino or Parmigiano Reggiano. Then we add some of the tomato sauce. Oh, not all, just a little bit to coat. We pass the rest at the table. Oh, beautiful, gorgioso. Tiny little extra dot of red around. And then we take just a tiny little bit more of the smallest leaves of basil and scatter them over. And there you go. Come on.